Good day, everyone. Welcome to another video that makes your English learning journey even more interesting. Today, we're diving into exclamatory remarks that can really spice up your conversations. You might wonder, exclamatory remarks? Yes, these are quick, powerful responses that add life to your interactions. They may be short, yeah, but they pack a punch. I'm sure you're already using some, like wow, interesting, or excellent job. There is a lot more to explore. So, let's get the ball rolling. First one up, Carpe Diem.
Carpe Diem.
Carpe Diem.
This Latin phrase means seize the day. Use it to remind others to enjoy the present and not to worry too much about the future.
That's my guy! Carpe Diem, seize the minute.
It's the day. Carpe Diem. Don't live with regret.
No way!
No way! No.
No way.
No way! No way!
A perfect way to express disbelief or amazement when something surprising happens. Seriously?
Seriously? Seriously.
Seriously? Yes, seriously. Seriously? Seriously.
Use this to convey astonishment or friendly doubt in response to an unexpected comment. You don't say.
You don't say. You don't say.
You don't say.
It's an exclamation but shows genuine surprise or that you are impressed by what was just mentioned. Good grief!
Good grief.
Good grief! This isn't working.
A fun, emphatic way to express shock, exasperation, or disbelief. You want more French? Here we go. C'est la vie.
Say la vie. Let me grab your badge numbers.
It's borrowed from French, meaning that's life. It's a great way to say that sometimes things happen beyond our control.
Conflict of interest. C'est la vie.
People do what they do and, c'est la vie.
Here's to next. Are you fond of Disney movies? Here you go. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
It's popularized by Disney. This means no worries and reminds us to relax and enjoy life.
Oh, that's okay. Hakuna Matata, right?
You know I'm all about Hakuna Matata.
You know any other cool exclamatory remarks? Drop your favorites in the comments below. See you in my next video and take care.